Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So we are here at the Salvation Army, and yes, we are thrifting today. So I'm going to walk around and show you exactly what they have. Come on with me, guys. So if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video. I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who have been supporting me for a little while or from the very beginning, I want to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Now remember to click that like button and full watch the video because this helps me to grow. And also comment below because I would love to hear from you. Now, as I'm walking around showing you the items in the store, I also will be gathering some items because I'm going to do an in-store vignette for you toward the end of the video. So stay tuned. I have to say that this Salvation Army by me has some awesome items. So now I'm going to go ahead and get started with the in-store vignette. Now I found this black tray. I think it's absolutely beautiful. I never got to purchase it, but now that I'm looking at it, oh my goodness, I thought it was gorgeous. So we're going to go with this theme. And then I found this tall vase that already had the florals in it, which was perfect. We're going to be using this to place on the tray. So you might start to already see the theme we're going with here. And then I was walking around and I saw this beautiful sculpture. Wait till you see that. So take a look at how beautiful he is. Oh my goodness, I'm absolutely loving it. So we're going to go ahead and place him on that candle stand. Right about there, he's going to look absolutely beautiful. Now I'm going to be placing this flower pot. I'm loving the little florals, and I'm also loving the side painting on that pot. It's absolutely beautiful, but I'm going to angle this. I'm not going to put that standing upright, and I think this is going to look gorgeous. So now those candle stands, there were two of them, so I placed the other one on the side, and I found this gold acorn. Isn't it absolutely beautiful? I thought that would look nice on the side there. So we're going to place some florals there on the bottom just to give it its finishing touches, and I think this vignette came out absolutely fabulous. I also saw this cute little black pumpkin, so I placed that right there, gave it its finishing touch. Let's head on over to the reveal, guys. I hope you enjoyed the shopping trip as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys.